Hi, welcome back to the Digital Bunch. Today we're going to talk about building realistic environments in Unreal Engine. Have you ever wondered how to obtain such an effect as here? To us, creating realistic environments is one of the most exciting and the most challenging aspects of working in Unreal Engine, and over the years I think we've really built a specialization in this area. It requires a blend of artistry, technical skills, patience, lots of research into new plugins, tools and features of Unreal Engine, as well as close attention to detail. Now, with its latest versions, especially Unreal Engine 5, it offers powerful tools that enable developers to create immersive, visually stunning worlds. Whether developing a game, an architectural visualization, or a virtual film set, Unreal Engine provides advanced features like real-time ray tracing, high-quality lighting systems, and photorealistic asset integration to bring environments to life. Key features like path tracing, so physically accurate lighting and rendering, have made it possible to deliver even more realistic results. This enables the creation of highly detailed environments by accurately simulating how light interacts within a scene. And as we all know, in the world of 3D, realistic light and materials are the key to a good quality result. Unlike traditional methods, path tracing calculates light paths by tracing rays from the camera through each pixel and into the scene, simulating real-world lighting behaviors such as reflections, refractions, and soft shadows. In our projects, path tracing is instrumental in showcasing the intricate details and luxurious materials with exceptional realism. The precise lighting adds depth and dimension to the car components, from the polished metal surfaces to the delicate internal mechanics. It allows us to emphasize the beauty of reflective and transparent surfaces, and since this technology is optimized for handling complex scenes with high precision, it is especially valuable for high-end visualizations where every detail counts. Path tracing brought a lifelike quality, making each component feel tangible and engaging, which is crucial in an environment where light plays a significant role in delivering visual impact. A foundational step in building realistic environments is landscape and terrain creation. Unreal Engine's landscape tool enables developers to sculpt large natural terrains such as deserts, forests, and mountain ranges with ease. For realistic results, it's important to consider natural landforms, organic shapes, and correct scaling. In some cases, real-world geographical data can be imported to achieve highly accurate topographies. Once the terrain is shaped, the next step is texturing. Blended materials such as grass, dirt, rock, and snow allow for smooth transitions between different terrain types, providing a natural look. Procedural texturing helps us to automate this process by applying textures based on environmental factors like slope or elevation. For example, rocky textures may automatically apply to steep cliffs, while flat surfaces receive grass or soil textures. To bring our environment to life, foliage is crucial. Unreal Engine Foliage tool lets developers quickly paint vegetation across large areas, adding trees, grass, and other plants with ease. The tool ensures a diverse random arrangement, mimicking how plants naturally grow. In complex environments, achieving a balance between realism and performance is key. We can't just put any assets and expect the scene to work seamlessly and fast. We really have to make sure that all the assets are optimized and so that everything renders correctly and that the computers are actually able to perform properly. In our collaboration with Fuse Studio on the Aston Martin DB12 project, we focused on optimizing the 3D models of the cars and environments to ensure real-time rendering performance without sacrificing visual quality. By utilizing advanced lighting techniques like lumen and optimizing textures and geometry, we created a virtual car showroom that rendered photorealistically while remaining efficient. This workflow allowed us to test different settings and backdrops without the constraints of traditional photography, offering flexibility and creative freedom. While lighting and models form the foundation of a realistic environment, post-production is where the final level of polish is added. Post-production processes allow us to adjust the colors, shadows, and visual effects such as depth of field and motion blur that help elevate the realism of a scene. In another animation project, post-production was essential in refining the mood of the visualization. By enhancing lighting and adding subtle color grading, we were able to emphasize the atmospheric quality of the scene, giving it more immersive and authentic feel. Post-production tweaks like this are often the final step in making environments not just realistic, but visually compelling. For Unreal Engine projects, a lot of post-production is done in the engine itself, giving artists more control and not having to render the animation to see what it will look after post-production. Another aspect that enhances realism is the use of atmospheric effects. Elements like volumetric fog, cloud simulations, and particle effects contribute to the environment's overall mood and immersion. Unreal Engine's particle system, Niagara, allows us to create realistic weather effects such as rain, snow, or even dust storms, which add a sense of liveliness to the world. For example, in this animation project, we incorporated dynamic weather changes and atmospheric effects that interacted with Lumen's lighting system. These effects not only enhanced the visual depth, but also helped convey a living, breathing world. While Unreal Engine offers an impressive array of tools, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. Anyone who has spent significant time with it knows the frustration of crashes, especially when pushing the boundaries of what it can do. While incredibly powerful, Unreal Engine remains a challenging and time-consuming process for many users, largely due to its constant evolution and complexity. The software is frequently updated with new features, optimizations, and tools, which requires users to continually adapt and learn. Sometimes we find ourselves deep in uncharted territory, trying to achieve something new that no one has ever written a tutorial for. The truth is, there's a lot of time invested in research and development just to stay on top of its evolving features and to ensure we can tame this beast of a software. Pushing Unreal Engine to its limits often means that we're met with challenges, but the reward is worth it when we succeed in creating something truly unique. Another thing we found really useful is that we were able to work collaboratively in real time on large-scale Unreal Engine projects. We use Perforce for version control. It's a tool that allows multiple team members to work simultaneously on different aspects of the same project. Perforce manages file versions and locks assets in use, preventing overwrites and conflicts in real time. This system is crucial for ensuring smooth collaboration, especially when working on complex environments or large-scale assets. With everyone in sync, we can maintain an efficient workflow and tackle massive projects without losing progress or running into chaos. It's another element that allows us to step up our game. Obviously, it adds even more complexity, but it's been a game changer on a few projects that we worked on with remote teams or agencies in the past. At The Digital Bunch, we incorporate all these methods into our workflow to ensure the environments we create are both visually stunning and efficient. Whether it's leveraging Unreal Engine's pioneering technologies like optimizing models for performance or refining scenes in post-production, our process is designed to produce the highest quality results. You can explore our portfolio to see these techniques in action, and for more practical insights, subscribe to our YouTube channel where we regularly share behind-the-scenes content and tips from our projects. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.